White creamed honey, a deliciously smooth and creamy type of honey with a pale white color. It's made from crystallized honey, which gives it a spreadable, buttery texture and a mild flavor. Now, let's make some creamed honey at home. Bismillah. We harvested this black honey in the fall. And it's perfect for showing how any type of honey can be made into white creamed honey. Whether you have golden, brown, or black honey, the process is the same. We kept one bottle at room temperature and another in the garage, where it naturally crystallized due to the cold winter temperatures. One common myth is that honey crystallizes because bees are fed sugar or because the honey is fake. While it's true that some honey might crystallize for these reasons, it's not the whole story. The truth is, raw, organic honey can also crystallize, and it's completely natural. Here are some natural reasons. Bees collect nectar from fruits or flowers high in pectin, like apples or berries. Temperature drops, and glucose molecules start to arrange themselves into a crystalline structure. Tiny particles like dust or pollen help get the process started. Temperatures between 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 to 15 degrees Celsius, are just right for crystallization. Moisture content below 17% helps it along. This natural process creates a solid, crystalline network that changes honey's texture and appearance. But don't worry, it's still the same delicious, nutritious honey. Add crystallized honey to a mixing bowl. Whip it with an electric stand mixer, or hand mixer, until light and fluffy. Fill it into jars. Do you like to watch more honey videos? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.